Hey guys, my name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. If you are new here, hey, what's up? And if you are, returning, welcome back to my channel. I'm happy that you decided to click on this video and hopefully you watched the whole video, So if you watch not my previous unboxing video, but the one before that, you would have saw that I received the Covergirl Exhibitionist 2.0 VoxBox. And again, Covergirl, that's exactly how it looks. This is exactly how the box looks. And inside of this box, I received 4 Covergirl products, and it's all from the Exhibitionist line. And as you can see, my face is made up, and I used what I got in that VoxBox. So in today's video, the first thing I'm going to do is show you a time-lapse video of me doing my face. It goes by really fast, but you'll be able to see what all I did, and you'll see how it all worked and whatnot. And then I will actually go into the review of each one of these products. So yeah, I'm about to play the time-lapse. Okay, so as you just saw, that's the look I did. This is it. This is the final result. So I used 4 Covergirl products like I just said earlier, and they're all from the Exhibitionist line. So I'm just gonna go in order of how I use them. So the first product that I got, or that I used, was the Covergirl Easy Breezy Brow, a Draw and Fill Brow pencil. So this is how it looks. As you can see, excuse my fingers, I was eating hot chips, but yeah, that's how it looks, as you can see. So this pencil is 2-ended. This is a pencil, as you can clearly see. It has a lot in there. That's how much it has, which is a pretty good amount. If you, well, not if you've been watching me, but if you follow me on Instagram, then you would know I typically use eyebrow powder and I apply it with a brush. So to say that this was a adjustment is an understatement. Now I really did like it, though. I see why people use pencils. It was really easy to trace my brow out, and just shape it. It was actually really easy. But the problem with the pencil came when I had to do my left eyebrow. I'm right-handed, so doing my left eyebrow was pretty hard. But as you can see, I got it looking pretty darn good, which is surprising because I didn't think I was gonna get it, but I did. So like I just said, it's 2-ended, and this is the pencil end, and it was actually really precise. If you're somebody who only does your eyebrows and you don't like wearing a full face of makeup, then I would highly suggest this pencil. But a pencil in general like this made it so easy to do my brows without making like a mess that needed to be shaped with concealer. So yeah, I really did like the pencil. And then the other end, is a more cushioned. It's cushioned, so it's product in it. Now I did get this in the color 400 Rich Brown, and the idea behind the design of this was you outline it with this end, you fill it in with this end, which it pretty it pretty much works that way. I'm gonna like swatch it. Excuse me, my hand, I have foundation on from doing my face, but this is a swatch of the pencil end. See, and it's in the color Rich Brown, so it's not super dark, but it was really good for my eyebrows. I thought I would need a black, but no, this actually did it. It was very sufficient. And then this is the cushion end, which I thought was really interesting. And as you can see, it's really like pigmented. See that? Just poke it a few times. It's like product in the cushion. I don't really know the science behind how it was made, but you know, just to sum it all up, I really did like this Easy Breezy Brow Draw and Fill eyebrow pencil. I really did like it. I liked it. I would definitely be using it again. I just got to get used to using the pencil, but that's not a problem with this, you know. It was good. It was really good. I will give it a 9 out of 10. I would definitely give it a 9 out of 10. I definitely recommend this for anybody who's looking for a pencil. I may or I may not have all these products linked down below where you can buy them. I might not, so don't, you know, trip. But, you know, if you're watching this and you're interested in this pencil, just check my description box. And again, I may or I may not have links to each one of these. But yeah, for the eyebrow pencil, I would give it a 9 out of 10. So next was my eyeliner, and as y'all know, if you have seen any of my recent videos or pictures on Instagram, I don't do eyeliner because I've never found a really good eyeliner. I've had a liquid eyeliner before, but after a while it just dried out. Never bought another one, so I've been like using pencils, and I actually used the Wet n Wild pencil for eyeliner, but it's like a pencil, you know what I mean? Like, it's not easy to glide on, so I could never do a wing. I could like always fill in my waterline, but I could never do a wing because it wasn't like smooth enough. Well, Covergirl has this Exhibitionist 24-hour kohl eyeliner. This is how it looks, and to say I love it would be an understatement. This pencil is how it looks right here. I was really worried when I saw that it was a pencil, like, am I gonna like it? Like, I don't want to give these people a bad review. I really loved this pencil. It glided on so easy. I wouldn't have thought that a pencil would work for this and be as smooth as it is. So watch this. That looks terrible, but y'all see how easily that glided on. I would imagine that to keep up with this, you have to sharpen it, but honestly, I don't really have a problem with that. That's what I think. I don't know if you gotta sharpen it. I have to look and see, but I think you just twist the end. I'm not really for sure, but yeah, for this, all I can say is I loved it. Glided on very easily, and I would definitely give this Exhibitionist 24-hour kohl eyeliner by Covergirl a 10 out of 10. I really did like it, and if you aren't experienced with eyeliner, or whatever, you haven't found a good eyeliner and you want to try a wing, I definitely recommend this one. Like, I really did like it. I give it a 10 out of 10. Like, for real. So the next product that came in my VoxBox that I will be reviewing for y'all is the Covergirl Exhibitionist Uncensored Mascara. The packaging is very cute. I do like the packaging. I love the simplicity of it, and I like how that's like exhibitionist and it's in the shape of an X. I just think that's really cute. So this is how the applicator end looks right here. One side, in my opinion, is more flary than the other side, but that's how it looks. It smells like mascara, but I like the way it smells. Just my personal opinion. I did use it. I don't have like an eyelash curler, so my eyelashes aren't curled, and I'm sure they could have looked much more flared out if I did multiple layers, but I only applied one layer of this mascara, and from that one layer, I definitely do like it. I gotta look at my eyelashes. I definitely do like it. My eyelashes are very like separated. They aren't clumped together at all. Sometimes that clump look good, and then sometimes it's two clumps and it just don't look good. This separates your eyelashes. My eyelashes are not clumped at all. Even my bottom eyelashes are nice and separated. I really did like this mascara. I like it. It's a good mascara. Compared to the other ones I've tried, I do like this one. It's cute. It's a cute girl. I would give this a 9 out of 10. I haven't used just an amazing mascara to give this a 10 out of 10. Like I don't have nothing to compare it to that's super high end. So based off what all I've used, I would give it a 10 out of 10. And I definitely recommend it to anybody, honestly. It's a really good mascara. I liked it. Like I just said, it left my eyelashes nice and separated. And yeah, it's just a cute girl. And I really do like the packaging. It's just so simple, but it's so cute, in my personal opinion. Some mascaras do the most with packaging, and I just like how simple it is. The font and whatnot on here is like rose gold, and it's just a sleek black tube. For packaging, it raised the score. So yeah, 9 out of 10. I really do like it. And then lastly is the Exhibitionist lip gloss. Yeah, that's all it is. And I got mine in the color, I believe it's 200 hot, and it's red. Now I do have a black eyeliner that I kind of smudged. Not this one, I used a different one, y'all, but I kind of smudged it on because I don't know, I wanted like a transition or something. I don't know. I do have this lip gloss on, and as you can see, that's how it looks when applying it. Now obviously the color payoff, it's a lip gloss. Like, it's not a liquid lipstick, it's a lip gloss, so it's not gonna be lipstick level color payoff. But with it being a lip gloss, it's actually pretty sufficient. The color is not too sheer, considering the fact that it is a lip gloss. It's really not too sheer. And then another thing I really love about the Exhibitionist lip gloss is that it is super moisturizing. I believe on the card I received, it says it's a hydrating moisturizing lip gloss with ultra high shine finish, and it's comfortable to wear without the sticky tacky feel. And that's the perfect description of this lip gloss. It's hydrating, it's moisturizing, and I don't have that sticky feel at all. It's very moisturizing. I didn't even have to put a chapstick underneath. This lip gloss, you can have crusty lips, but this one and your lips will be moisturized. This was definitely, was it my favorite? I think this was my favorite out of the 4 products that I received. I liked all of them, but this is my favorite, and it smells so good to me. It smells so good. I really can't put my finger on what it smells like, but it actually does smell really good. And the packaging, is cute. It's very simple. It's just simple, it's cute. I really do like this color. I'm gonna have to look for the other shades they have because I really do like this. I actually wonder, do they have it in the clear lip gloss? If they did, that would be bomb for real. But yeah, I really did like this lip gloss, and I would definitely give this one a 10 out of 10. It was a really good lip gloss. If you don't get nothing out of this video, or aren't interested in purchasing or anything I recommended in this video, I definitely recommend this lip gloss because it was just a really good lip gloss all together. Really did like it, and I loved all 4 products. I'm super happy that I now have these products in my stash, and I'm happy. This is kind of random. I'm happy I finally got an eyebrow pencil. Like, I'm happy that I can experience it now. So I really did like all 4 of these products. It's I won't say it's a line, because I don't think this is all they have in the Exhibitionist line. This is just all I received. But as the whole line, the whole VoxBox, it gets a 10 out of 10. Like, it's good. Like, overall, really good. Very easy look to do. Once I truly perfect my makeup skills, I can really work this. Like, it looks good now, but give me some time, it'll look even better. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Before I end this video, I should have mentioned it in the beginning. I did receive all 4 of these products completely free from Influenster. I got it complimentary to review for y'all, pretty much. So yeah, these were all free. I did not purchase any of these. I got them for free. But all of these opinions are my own. Really did like all products again. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you're interested in these exhibitionist products and would you purchase these exhibitionist products. I really want to know. Share this video with a friend and subscribe to my channel. I have way more content on the way and you don't want to miss it, so subscribe, and I want to see you in my next video.